Welcome to BezReviews, where we break down the latest products to help you decide if they are right for you. Today, we are looking at the Moveloop Electric Bike, a powerful e-bike designed for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, we are examining the core power and performance metrics of this Moveloop. The 1,500 watts peak power brushless motor provides strong acceleration and ample power for tackling hilly or rugged terrain, ensuring. With a 48 volts 15.6Ah detachable battery, this bike offers an excellent range of up to 70 miles on a single. This electric bike can reach impressive top speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, delivering the excitement and quick. This Moveloop electric bike truly shines in its power and performance, delivering an exhilarating ride experience. Next, let's explore the riding experience and additional features that set the Moveloop Electric. The 20-inch x 4.0-inch fat tires, front suspension forks, and long cushioned seat all work together to provide a smooth. A standout feature is the advanced NFC one-tap unlock system, providing convenient keyless operation, alongside an LED display that shows. This bike features mechanical brakes, which provide reliable stopping force but may not offer the same high-performance modulation as hydraulic. Most key specifications like motor power and battery capacity are clearly detailed, though slight variations in listed peak wattage could. The Moveloop electric bike offers a comfortable ride with smart features, but the choice of mechanical. Overall, the Moveloop electric bike delivers impressive performance with its powerful motor, long-range battery, and unique smart features. It is a compelling option for riders who need a versatile e-bike capable of handling various terrains and offering a convenient, modern experience.